What's up, guys? It's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been posting on a super regular schedule, but if you know anything about me or you've followed me at all, you know I've been working 7 days a week. So on the 7th, I can take a week off and have a little bit of a vacation. So today I'm bringing you an amazing tip. It's a tip I think will change a lot of the fellow beardos' beard game. This company is called Beardsman. As you can see, it is a very, very thick oil compared to, let me grab one here, compared to Luxurious Bastard. You see, super thin, splashes around, super easy, right? This is just a very viscous oil. It is just real thick, and the reason for that, again, is castor oil. Castor oil it's not a very expensive oil. It's not an exotic oil, but it's a very useful oil in your beard game. I've always used castor oil even when I didn't know how to use it properly. I guess we'll call it properly. But castor oil is a very good oil for your skin and for your hair. And here's how most people do it. They wash their beard. They let it get almost dry. We'll call it damp. And then they apply the castor oil. And then they either have one of two problems. They have a straw-like feeling with their hair, or it's greasy, or both. I apologize. My 2-year-old's up super early while I'm trying to record this, so apologize for that. But that's usually what they say. And then they do not want to use Beardsman or any of those thicker oils because of that. Here's where you went wrong. You let your beard get too dry. You want your beard very damp, not 80% dry. You want it like 60% dry. You don't want it dripping. You don't want it to where water is just pouring off, but you want your beard very damp when you apply castor oil. If you do this, I almost guarantee you will start wanting to use those products from Beardsman, from Norseman Beards, Tailored Beard Company, any of them that have castor, or any of them that use castor that has scared you away, but they have those scents that you want. Try this out and then let me know what you think. You can, pause your video, go run to the sink real quick, wash your beard, and then apply some castor. And then seriously, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, or you can hit me up on Instagram or something. But I'm telling you, leave your beard about 60% wet, or 60% dry, 40% still damp. You know what I mean? You want it 3 times as damp as what you normally would when you apply any other oil that doesn't have castor. But give that tip a try. I'm almost guaranteed that you will have a fully different experience with castor oil, any beard oil with castor oil in it. Besides that, guys, definitely hit up your boy Twitch Beard. Get you a cool shirt, hat, wife beater, or muscle shirt, whatever you want to call it. Don't take any offense to that word. It's what we call them around here. But besides that, guys, definitely check out this tip. Stay tuned on this channel. Got a lot of future upcoming tips, tricks, companies, reviews, live streams on Instagram, all kind of cool stuff coming up. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. That way you're notified of all my upcoming videos. Again, extra, extra damp when you use castor oil, and you'll have a completely different experience. I hope this helped you out, guys, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Much love.